What's your name?
My name is Yahaira Trillos.
How do you spell your family name? How do you spell your family name?
It spells out like this: T-A-R-I-L-L-O-U-S.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from San Martin, Cesar.
Are you working or studying at the moment? Are you working or studying at the moment?
I'm studying and working at the same time.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I would like to learn about many countries, their cultures, and their people.
How do you enjoy spending your free time? How do you enjoy spending your free time?
Staying with my family.
What's the best way for you to improve your English? What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Listening and pronouncing.
What's the best? If you could learn a new skill, what would it be? If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Learn English fast. No sé qué día nos vamos a ir.